Vaishali, hi, morning. Kunal, morning to you as well. Vaishali, how quiet is it looking like for the Nifty? And do you think we're going to take a directional move? I mean, the last hour yesterday showed that we are getting in the negative, dragged by banks. Do you think that could fall further today?
Well, that time will tell. Good morning, first of all, to all of you. We need to wait for Bank Nifty to break 43,800 levels because we've been seeing that every attempt of a bounce back, we see selling pressure. So the view remains sideways. And as long as 43,800 in Nifty is held on, we would maintain a positive view with a bounce back. And likewise in Nifty also, 19,250 would hold as a crucial support. So let's wait and watch because these levels need to break decisively to realize that, yes, market is in for further correction.
All right, Kunal, let's get in your outlook. And it's interesting just to talk a little bit more about that underperformance that we've witnessed within the banks. So the heavyweights have really contributed to the downfall. So what is it that you're making by way of trend and the divergence between IT and banks?
So banks are underperforming. IT sector is not participating. You don't have many leadership from the auto pack. So many of the sectors as well as stocks have underperformed in this leg of the market trend. And I think what's adding to more salt to the injury is the indicators on the index, on the Nifty specifically yesterday, coming back into the negative territory. That should probably be an indication that maybe the near-term trend on the indices could now get into a bit of a slightly increased momentum on the downside for the indices. So I think that's one of the concerns for the Nifty, which has emerged in the last trading session. Now, interestingly, the data on the open interest, which we were looking out for in the last couple of days, has two different sides. So, for example, on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, we have seen a definite amount of unwinding of open interest for the current series. The premiums have reduced for the Nifty futures as well as for the Bank Nifty futures, but the open interest is rising in the next series, which means shorts are being carried to the next series right from the start of this week. And we are into the penultimate of the expiry week for the index. So that itself indicates that market participants are actually looking out for this kind of a sideways zone on the index as a rollover strategy for the Nifty futures as well as the Bank Nifty futures. So net expecting the markets to get into a bit of a downward trend and hopefully we could probably be retesting the 90,300 mark and below as well.